Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to get amazing pictures, images into videos. If you've been struggling with how do I start with the video creation process, my photos aren't good enough, my images aren't good enough, I'm going to tell you some secrets on how you can use Wanderlust Social to get amazing content into your videos right now. So keep on watching.
Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
All right, guys, don't forget to take a moment, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell over on YouTube. We bring you amazing content every single week that will help you grow your travel businesses, and I don't want you to miss a thing. If you're new here, type a little "I'm new" in comments. I'd love to welcome you to our community. And if you are new, you might not know who I am. My name is Cyndi Williams. I'm the founder and CEO of Wanderlust Campus, which certifies travel agents when they are new, when they are growing, and also at the agency owner level. So basically all different levels of growth. But today we're talking about how can you get amazing content to put into your videos. And you might be new to the video creation process. You might know that I have a couple YouTube channels, so we've made hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos. And within Wanderlust Campus, we actually train our students how to create amazing videos for the purpose of converting clients to their agencies, right? So it's a great, yes. No, it's okay. There's one behind the desk too. There's one behind the credenza, yeah. So even though you may be new to the video creation process, that shouldn't hold you back from starting to make videos for your agency. It's one of the best things that you can do is have a strong video strategy to convert potential clients to booking with you. It's also totally free to do, and that's why video is king in the world of marketing. So first and foremost, I want All right, guys. All right, guys, I know video creation might be new and it might feel a little outside your comfort zone, but I have to tell you, video is king in marketing right now. You need to have a strong video strategy, but I know some of you guys struggle with, how do I create videos? How do I get good content? This is one of those things that we help people with in Wanderlust Campus. So if you're one of our students, this will be a great tutorial on how to use Wanderlust Social within your videos. But even if you're not in Wanderlust Campus, I'm going to give you some great ideas today on how you can take content and media out of Wanderlust Social and put it into your videos to make you look like a rock star no matter what level you are at in your video creation. So let's start by going over to Wanderlust Social. I want to show you that the bundle I've selected that we're going to be working with today, and we're actually heading out on a cruise pretty soon. So I'm going to source some of the content out of there, and I'm going to show you how I put that into my video. So let's go through that. Let's head over to Wanderlust Social now. All right, guys, so we're over at Wanderlust Social. If you're not familiar with Wanderlust Social, we've been doing a series about Wanderlust Social and how to use the different features. But basically, Wanderlust Social has done for you marketing content for travel professionals that you can go in and customize so it looks like you created all of this amazing content. There's a ton of different bundles in here. I really suggest you go peek through the shop bundle section so you can see the different types of bundles that there are. There's everything from destination bundles to value proposition bundles to talk about the value you bring as a travel professional. There's also seasonal and specialty bundles that talk about different types of niches and also things like fall and spring. We're heading into fall now, so I'm going to be sourcing a lot of the seasonal content out of there as well. So go in, check it out. I've shared on videos before, but it really makes sense to become a member with Wanderlust Social. If you do their annual plan, you get an additional, the equivalent of 2 bundles free when you do the annual plan. So that is the best pricing wise that you'll be able to attain, and it really brings the cost per bundle down. And also, when you are an annual subscriber like I am, you get all of your credits unlocked at the same time, which is amazing, because if you want to market forward, create content for 2-3 months ahead, you can unlock whatever bundles you want. Everything works off of a credit system, so you can save your credits if you want to wait and see if there's new bundles coming out that you'll like, or you can spend your credits on any of the bundles that are in here now. So we're actually looking for a cruising bundle this time around, because I'm looking for some things that I can put into my video. So let me filter this down to just the cruises. Now we are actually going to be cruising in the Caribbean. I could do the ocean cruising bundle. I've actually already purchased that one and used some of the content out of that last year for my marketing. So I'm going to do this new one that just came out, the Caribbean Ocean Cruising. So I have already actually unlocked this bundle. That's why it says you've already unlocked it. So I can show you guys exactly what is inside this bundle and how I'm going to use it for the purpose of video. I'll also share with you a couple tips that my students use that are really handy for if you're new at video creation. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be downloading all these images. I'm going to use this download all button, download all the images and put it on a file in my desktop. Then I'm going to drag it over into my video editing software. I'll show you that here in a second. So I've already captured all of these different pictures. Now, there's other ways I'm going to be using this bundle. I've already snagged this packing list and customized it. I'm going to be using that for a lead capture. We have another video on how to do that. I'm going to be creating a sample itinerary that I'm going to be using for my clients as well. And from a customer service perspective, I am going to be creating a packing list and this customizable map that I give to all of my clients that cruise with us in the future. So lots of other marketing goodies in here. There's also posts that go with, captions that go with all of those pictures. There's also 2 different emails. I did a video on that last week on how to use the email content, so you don't have to write your own emails anymore. So watch that video. That's also on the channel. There's a hashtag vault, and there's also a blog post. Now, I did a video a few weeks ago on how to use Wanderlust Social for blogs, but this is actually one of the sneaky things that my students taught me that I thought was brilliant. Some of them struggle with what do I talk about on videos, so they will download the blog post and use that as the content that they talk about on their videos. How genius is that? If you have trouble being confident on video, or you're like, what do I say? Use the blog post that's in there. Use the tips that are out of there and create a little guideline for your video. So that's another kind of pro tip. But today, we're primarily going to be focusing on using these beautiful images and putting them within our video. So now I'm going to take you over to iMovie. So I use iMovie to edit. Let me pull up my iMovie here. All right, so I use iMovie to edit. Now listen, you can use any video editor, editing software that is great for you. This is something that we train in Wanderlust Campus, guys. So this, if you're not familiar with video editing, you are going to have to do some learning along the lines of that. It takes a minute. There is a learning curve if you've never edited videos before, so I'll say that outright. Definitely check into earning your certification, which would include video training, video challenge, all of that stuff that we do in the mastermind program. I'll put our links for Wanderlust Campus below if you want more in-depth training on how to create a video strategy and how to really edit these from A to Z on all different ways. But today, I want to focus on how would I put this content into my videos, and this strategy works for any basic editing software. So if you see this little Cyndi here with her pink sweatshirt, that's a Lotso sweatshirt. I got my Disney ears on. I already pre-filmed a 9-minute video talking about the top 10 things that we are doing to prepare for our upcoming Disney cruise. So I've already done what we call a talking head video, and I've put that down here as my baseline video. Now, as I go through the video, let's just pretend right here I'm talking about sailing on the ocean. If I want to bring in any of these photos, I can bring in one of my favorite things to do when we cruise is watch the sunset. and I can have the video, I can have this picture. This is actually just a picture, but see how it looks like a video? This is called the Ken Burns effect. So if you're in iMovie, just to show you what this looks like, in 1 second. Just to show you what this looks like, if I click on this little, looks like a cropping button, see how it has that Ken Burns effect? I could make the picture just be a flat picture if I hit fit, and then it will just kind of be that flat picture. I can also crop it, crop to fill if I want to just kind of have a closer up version of the sunset, and then I can still have that Ken Burns effect if I want. But let me play this for you really quickly so you can see. Just ignore the audio you're going to hear from Talking Head Cyndi. Your vacation. So if you do a little prep work, it really helps you have a more enjoyable experience. So see how it looks like the photo is actually moving? And if I do this, let me do it with another one so you guys can see it before it's cropped. So if you do a little prep work, it really helps you have a more, and you can make that go, you can make that go faster, you can make it go slower. That's another cool thing that you can do. So I can literally pop in any of these photos in here. That one's of a cute little iguana, and kind of have a little feel that it's moving. Now another thing you can do in the videos, if you're talking about, like for example, here's one that is about food. So I might not want to pop it in front of the entire video. I might want it to be just a pop-up in my screen. So I can use this button called Picture in Picture, and then I'm going to go over to the crop button. I'm going to hit fit so it shows the whole picture. And then I can literally drag it anywhere in my video, and then boom. So let's just pretend I'm talking about how amazing the food is, and then the food can pop up in the video. A photo identification. And it's right there for you. So I was actually talking about travel documents there, which would be another great thing to filter in, right? So see how easy it is to just add some interest in your video and have the high quality images from Wanderlust Social. It works so well. Now I want to teach you guys another sneaky trick that I use all the time. In fact, I'm going to go back to another video that I created. Okay, so guys, this is another video that I created a while back about going to the boardwalk. So, and I used some Wanderlust Social photos, but what I also used is a lead cap. So a couple weeks ago, I taught you guys the importance of having a really good lead capture with your clients, and one of those things we use is a packing list. I'm trying to find it here. Give me a second. There it is. So check this out. I'm going to play this little section for you, but basically see that little pop-up that's on the screen on the right-hand side there where it says get your free packing list? Where do you guys recognize that packing list from? That is from Wanderlust Social. So I did a screenshot of the packing list, and then I overlaid it like a picture into this video. So check out this little call to action I have in here as a sample. Let me turn this volume up for you a second too. Guys, I created an amazing Walt Disney World packing list. It's a must-have. Get it down below. It's totally free. And by the way, we would be honored to help you with your next. So see how easy that was? It was literally taking a Wanderlust Social piece, putting it in as a call to action right within your video. Use either stagnant, or you can do that picture-in-picture effect where you're referring to it, or you can make it look like a moving picture, which adds that visual interest to your videos. And you don't have to go to the Caribbean and worry about lugging camera equipment. It's already done there for you. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to use Wanderlust Social elements within your video creation process. Again, if video is totally foreign to you, but you know you need to be doing it to get top conversions in your agency, please check out Wanderlust Campus. You can visit us at wanderlust-ceo.com/, actually, that's the wrong link. Let me do that one more time. If you want to get more information about Wanderlust Campus, go over and visit our website. I will link that down below. This is the program that you have heard about. It is the most reviewed, has the most 5 stars in the industry, the most case studies for a program of its kind, because we help you with all different types of marketing strategies, including video. You get to work with real humans in this program. It is not an e-program. Yes, you get Wanderlust Campus included for everything, all of your curriculum and things like that, but you get to work with me, you get to work with our team, and everything is in there for you through that process of becoming certified and learning how to really employ these in-depth marketing strategies. So visit us over at careersonvacation.com/ready now. That's where you're going to find all of that information. And again, I will link that down below for you guys. And listen, wherever you guys are on your journey, I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.